guys, it's actually Sunday, starting of the trading week, and we are currently looking at Euro USD. So I have this trade idea here. I'll let you know and give you update as the week progress, but this will be the first trade I'm looking at. Alright guys, so it's now 1:51 and it's Monday. Alright, we just took our first trade right here. So let's see how this one played out. So I'll give you let's say every 30 minutes I'll give you guys an update on this trade. Don't mind my rough advice, just wait. But our target is down here, right below these lows right here. Yeah, so see you in the next 30 minutes. So it's in the morning. I'll pretty much give you guys an update as soon as I reach home on this EUR USD trade. Alright, so we pretty much just closed our Euro USD trade. It's now 10:04 p.m. on Monday. Alright, so we had 2 entries on this from last night until now. So we have 1 here, 1 here. We break even here, come back here, we get another entry here. We send both signals into the group, into our signal group. And yeah, Euro USD over there. Let's show you guys the signals. So that's one signal there. Where's the other one? And that's the one we sent last night, and this one was the one we sent last. Alright, so yeah, it was a success. You guys to please remember to like, share and subscribe if you want me to make more content like this for you guys. Alright, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Alright, so the first thing I pretty much see was that the market was in a downtrend. Alright, so all I'm looking right now is just sell. Alright, this order blocks cut pretty much obvious right here, because we have that small bullish candle followed by that big impulsive drop. Alright, so that was my order block zone. I moved on to my 15-minute just to see what's going on the 1 hour time frame, where I pretty much realized that there was a level of trend line liquidity right here. Alright, so I pretty much highlight that trend line liquidity there. I've realized as well that there was some equal highs within this year, and that equal highs already, it's money, right? So I know that the market was pretty much coming up into this zone because we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here. So this was my area where I pretty much want the market to come inside so I can take this specific trade. Alright, so that's pretty much what we have so far. We also have this demand zone here for a more longer target, but here pretty much have so far we have this order block, we have a trend line here, we have equal highs here, and we have the market here. So let's go on the 1 hour time frame. What we pretty much have here, we are on the 1 hour time frame. What we pretty much want is that they want the market to come inside this order block zone. This is where we're going to take our trade. Once the market get inside this zone, this is where we want to see a depletion in the bullish momentum. We want to see some form of failing to create new high and create low high, stuff like that. That's what we want to see within this zone. Alright, so boom, we're inside the zone. Let's move to the 30 minutes just to see what's happening. Alright, so we're inside this order block zone. So now is the time we pretty much want to see some form of depletion within this bullish momentum. So we realized that the market pretty much cleaned this equal highs here, this liquidity zone, and pretty much up into this zone, targeting these liquidity trendline liquidity zone. So now is the time I pretty much want to start looking for my my trading opportunities. All right, so we realized the market was breaking structure to the upside coming up. All right, we have another breaker structure here, but it was pretty much weak, so I know that there was a depletion in this bullish momentum to the upside. All right, we are currently on the 15-minute time frame. What we pretty much want is that we want to see the market fail to create new higher high and create a lower high or something of that sort to give us that depletion. All right, boom. So right here I realized that the market didn't create a new higher high, instead it gave us a double top. All right, if you look closely right here, the market didn't close above this wick over here, so that's pretty much a confluence to take a hint of this double top, but I pretty much want something more. I preferred a change of character to the downside. All right, so we have one confluence so far, or one confirmation rather. So right here we have this nice double top pattern right here. All right, a double top inside our order block zone. All right, so boom, we're here. What we realized that the market pretty much changed character to the downside right here, so we're gonna identify that too as well. All right, let's put it to the downside. So everything is tied up nicely on this Euro USD trade. Boom. All right, let's go down on the 5-minute just to see what the 10-minute is doing. All right, beautiful. All right, so on the 10-minute, let's go back on the 10-minute. On the 10-minute, all we want to see is that we want to see the market starting to pull back into our POI zone. All right, and our POI zone would be the highs of this week right here. Good. So within this zone is the area where I want to take my trade. Why it's my POI zone? Because the fib would have given me that zone. All right, so anywhere within this zone here would have been my entry zone. So what I want to see here is that I want to see some form of reversal pattern within this zone. So let's go on the 15-minute time frame. That's where I pretty much see my entry pattern. I got that big strong bullish momentum within the zone, but it didn't close above my POI. All right, boom, we got that strong bearish momentum candle which closed pretty much below the lows of this candle inside my POI. That was my confirmation for my first entry. Good. So my stop was just above the high right here and just above the POI zone, right above the wick of this high right here, and my target was right below here. All right, so boom. All right, so that was my first entry. So I pretty much got a TP on that one, and then what I've realized was that there was another opportunity for me to take another trade on the 10-minute time frame, where I see that there was this zone up here and the market pretty much breaks structure to the downside. So after a break of structure, we know the market normally tries to correct itself. In our last video, I made mention to something about an impulsive move followed by say for instance an impulsive bullish followed by an impulsive bearish. That pretty much what happened right here, and it closed below here. That was the confluence that sparked my next entry on this specific trade. All right, boom, target there, and bam, it TP. Alright, it was a beautiful trade, and as I said before, if you watch the full video, you'll see that all these trades are sent out, all these trades are caught. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.